What's going on, guys? My name's Jesse. Today we're going to be talking about the glorious Model O, and I'm going to let you know if I think you should get it or not. Alright, so the Model O, this thing is super hyped up, it still kind of is, but it's been out for a little bit now, a couple months, so it's not as big of hype, but I finally got one for myself, and I like it a lot. It's super light, it's 67 grams, and you might compare that to the new Finalmouse and say whatever, that's 47 or 45, whatever it is. But one thing to know is this one, the Model O, is weighed with the cord. So they take the cable as well as the mouse and they put that on a scale and weigh it. Whereas Finalmouse and really most other brands do it without a cable. So the cable is completely detached. That obviously takes a little bit of weight off of it. That's nothing crazy, but it's still gonna be more than 47. It's probably in the 50 to 55 range, I'd guess. And from 55 to 67 grams, I don't think you notice a huge difference. I actually did get to feel, I never played any games with it, but I did get to feel the Finalmouse Air 58, the Ninja one, and that one was super light, but I don't feel that and then pick this up and be like, wow, this one is a lot heavier. That 10-15 grams isn't too much different. So if you're looking for lightweight, this is still a great option. The price is another huge thing. So you can get this guy, I paid $49 plus the shipping was around $10, so it came to around $60. Even still, if you compare that to the new Finalmouse, the Cape Town, the Ultralight 2, that one's $120 plus it's gonna take you 3 months to get it, maybe. That's if you already secured it. So for the most part, every day it's been out of stock. I actually did just check today and it is in stock, so there must have been a bunch of cancels that went through that allowed them to put that back in stock, but it's harder to get. It's gonna take forever to get. They're known for their slow shipping times. They're known for blaming the slow shipping times on customers asking where their items are, which it's not an excuse. Glorious was awesome. I ordered this 2 weeks ago. It came about a week ago. I've had it for 8 days now, and it's great. I really do love it. It's super light, obviously, like I said. The honeycomb holes on it, they're a lot smaller than the Finalmouse. When it's in your hand, you really don't even notice them. The shape of it is awesome. The buttons they're firm. They feel great. Overall, it's for the price, especially for the price. I don't even want to say for the price because it's a good mouse in general, but especially for the price, you absolutely cannot go wrong. Show you what's inside the box. So usually, of course, the mouse is sitting there. And then underneath that. So this is a Welcome to the Glorious Legion card. Let's see if I can get that to focus. And then we got 2 stickers. One of them is their logo. The other sticker is burly dude holding a mouse. And then we got a quick start guide. So this just shows you the different DPIs that are supported right out of the box, or not that are supported, but that are programmed. On the back side, we have like support options if you have any questions. And then we got a check out our other products page. So just showing what else I sell, their keyboard, their headphone hanger, things of that sort. But the packaging is really nice. So a lot of concerns, like when people first got it, was like, hey, this packaging is great. How much did they pay for that? And what did that sacrifice from the actual mouse? And I don't think they sacrificed anything. Like it's high quality packaging. It comes with, high quality paper. The cardboard is really nice. The design of it is nice. It's smooth. Like it's overall really good. I don't know how they're able to get this mouse so cheap. This same mouse from any other brand would be a lot more expensive. So I've tried a few mice. I actually have a list right here. So I've tried the Corsair M55, which is a $40 mouse. I tried the Corsair Harpoon, which is a $30 mouse. I tried the Corsair M65 Elite, which is a $60 mouse. Like I said earlier, I tried the Air 58 Ninja Finalmouse. That one was, I want to say, $90 at the time. So still a lot cheaper than their $120 Cape Town that they just put out. But like that mouse to this one, I would prefer this mouse, and it's literally half the price of any other Finalmouse you're going to get, especially if they're and they are all sold out except the Cape Town. So if you're going to buy the Cape Town, if you get lucky, you might be able to grab it in stock right now. But the resale is going to be $200, $300, I don't know, maybe $400. So that's not even logical. I don't know why people are buying that. It's really not worth it, that amount of money to get that mouse. I would absolutely recommend get the Model O. The quality is amazing. Even I've seen like it's kind of weird, but drop tests for the mice, and when you drop this guy, it feels pretty firm. Like, it doesn't sound like anything's rattling around. When you drop the Finalmouse, you hear like things tinkering around. So even the build quality seems like it's better. We got the Ascended cord, which it's like, it feels like a shoelace, but it's super light. I don't even have a bungee or anything. I just have this little cable holder that weighs it down a tiny bit over there, but it moves super smooth. The Model O also comes with its own software that you can adjust the DPI, and if you wanted to, you could change what some of the buttons do. I'll show you a little bit of that right now, just so you can get an idea of what you're able to change with it. But I mean, right out of the box, you don't even need to download the software. It has DPIs already programmed, and they're pretty standard, so you should be able to get what you need right out of the box without downloading software. So it is optional, but it does let you get a little bit more in depth. It also lets you change the colors of the mouse. So I have mine flashing like a pink and blue cotton candy theme right now. So it allows you to adjust that how you want to. But it is definitely optional. It comes with a rainbow, I think they call it glorious mode out of the box. So if you like that, that's cool. Will just stay that way if you don't change it with the software. So it comes with everything you need. You don't need to download anything additional, but it is there if you wanted to do that. And the other thing is their G skates, which is the feet that they use on the bottom of it. You can push the mouse around on your mouse pad and it literally just floats back and forth. So of course, because it's super lightweight, but also the G skates assist with that. That's another thing that makes this stand out, is it's just so smooth. Things, you can flick around easy. Like a big thing in Fortnite, if you get shot in the back, you have to jump around or flick around, throw up a wall. It's super easy to do with this because it's so smooth. It's just doesn't feel like there's anything weighing you down. It's just literally a quick flick and it's there. So the weight is nice. The G skates are super nice. Overall, it's an amazing mouse, especially for the price. Like I said before, it is perfect. I literally have no complaints about it. Anything I can need out of a gaming mouse, this thing definitely has. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you in your decision of whether or not to get the Model O. Like I've said a million times in the video, I definitely do recommend it, especially for the price. It's a super good mouse. It's worth the pickup. I'm not saying it's going to make you an amazing gamer right out of the box. Like, you got to definitely get used to it and you got to practice, etc. But for $60, you absolutely cannot go wrong with the Model O. I definitely recommend it. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to mention that in my last video. Or even just a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment. I respond to all of the comments. If you have any more questions, things I forgot, please drop them down below. But ultimately, I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I'm trying to maybe make this a full-time thing where I can keep making videos. So I need watch time. I need subscribers. Of course, only if you enjoy the content. Don't just do it to help me out. If you like the videos, if you want to see what's coming next, please subscribe, click that button below. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.